We're back with my cousin Lisa.
Welcome back to my kitchen.
I'm showing her how to make a salad that my mom used to make. Now, just so you know, her mom and my mom are sisters. That's the connection. First cousin, sister once removed. Love my cousin.
Wow, it looks really fresh, really great. Great spring salad.
It's very Italiano, and we are, oops, Italiano.
Exactly.
Have some.
That is good.
The marinated artichokes with that crunch of celery.
Oh, it's great. And then the olives give that salty taste.
And who doesn't like a roasted red pepper? Delish. Clink.
Clink.
Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.